Massive and crew, I go on. We're there again with another episode of That's So Random. Now, today we want to know something. How has your life been affected by COVID-19, coronavirus, whichever one you want to call it? I mean, what are some of the changes you've had to make since the breakout of this virus? I mean, it can be how it affected you negatively, positively. We just want to know, the impact it have on the people. So let me know what I go on now. Me, I kind of just there myself. Don't know, say as a promoter, it's a bit for bad. Because a long time not to keep. You see me? Long time not to keep. And I want to do some road. The road in the longest one. Before me even go further. I get a portion of bad up to put on my seatbelt yesterday, so I comply. Yeah, so I couldn't know, man. As I say, as promoters, it's a bit bad. We're not used to doing our yard for so long. We're not used to doing our yard, none at all. I mean, yard only see when we change your clothes and brush your teeth and eat some food and then something there. So, you don't know, so since the virus thing, a yard with the car, we're under lockdown. But that's how it affect we, how it affect you. I know, say, based on what I see on social media, the introverts, them under pressure, them blood vessel, them almost bust. So you can imagine we extroverts who always there road. You see me? I mean, I cope with it somewhat because you don't know, years on the road, daily and nightly, so it's almost like we get a chance to rest the body, And as much as we miss out the road, you know, say, my body glad for a little break. You see me? So, I go and wait and see how this thing will play out. Oh, I look on it right now, I look like I can see back road till 2021, 2022 with the party team. Because one people them not stay home for 2, there is no cure. There is no vaccine. There is no nothing at all for help right now. So it will linger. And even when they have the vaccine, it will take a while for it get to everybody. Yeah, I will live with it for a while. So, I mean, I don't know, as I said, I don't know how it affects you, whether it be negatively or positively. Just let me know how I go on, how I cope, isn't it? And remember, people, stay safe. You don't tell what to do already, wash your hands, sanitize, wear your mask when you go out in public, and follow the curfew, them people. Follow the curfew. You see what I say? Because I say a whole heap of curfew bookings are going on, and I say a whole heap of things that come out like. And I tell you, if you don't want the soldier and police them deal in a certain way, just follow the curfew.